Nita had to drive on the sidewalk. Nita, you had to drive on the sidewalk.
Yeah, I drove on the sidewalk.
Look at that water.
Oh, that's not a lot.
Oh! She actually drove on the sidewalk. Uh-oh.
I'm not gonna go through here.
She's not gonna go through there.
Oh, should I go through here?
That's water that way too.
Oh, I'm gonna go see. He went on the sidewalk.
We're gonna go on the sidewalk again. Go ahead, Nita. I'm filming you.
Okay.
Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! She's driving on the sidewalk.
I'm not gonna hit the tree.
Don't hit the tree. Don't hit the tree. She's driving on the sidewalk. I'm making a video, Nita. Look at them. Look at them. Oh! She's on the sidewalk. She's on the sidewalk. You go,
Continuing with
Nita.
walking directions. Head west on Annapolis Street, then take a right on Irene Street.
Okay, we're clear now. We're clear. You think we're safe now, Nita?
No, I just want to get home. Look at all these cars
Look at all
stuck.
these cars. They're stuck. Get on the sidewalk again.
No coffee. I don't want to get in there.
Well, we can't stay here.
Look at all the cars that are pulling over. Call Dad.
Okay, what's he gonna do?
He's gonna tell us what to do.